Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Kyperian Automation. How many times have you run that log in, log out test case? How many times have you run your regression suites of all your test cases? They are redundant, they are time consuming, and they are very important for catching those defects. I have a solution for you. I have a Selenium script that you can run from your device in 60 seconds or less. Let me show you how. Once you're in the proper repository, just click on the README. And here we have the instructions for Windows and Mac and Linux. Just note that you do need JDK 17. If not, make sure to follow this video right here. Follow this link and get it downloaded. Okay, let's grab the instructions here. Open up your command prompt. Drop it in. It just created the project on your local. Perfect. And just run that command. And this is going to fire off your first Selenium test. There's going to be two validations on this, which we will see an evidence log kick out at the end that will also be stored on your local. Looks like validation 1 passed. And it's working on validation 2. There it goes. It was a successful build. Perfect. So let's go ahead and open up that evidence log and see what was appended. All right, you can see today's date, the browser, the time, and the 6 pieces of evidence that we have. The login screen with wrong user login, the correct user login. We have the home page and the log out. Perfect. And if you want more information, there's the execution log, which you can review as well with both points. I have 5 more test cases that I've made for a total of 6 for the test suite. If you guys want more to show the power of Selenium and UI automation, comment automation into the chat and I'll DM you those directly. Thanks for joining, guys.